has come, baby. He has reached here. Hey guys, good morning. It is travel day today. I'm not gonna be traveling with this camera, so I want to pick it up from here and I would continue. But yes, myself and my husband were traveling this morning. You know, I told you guys in the previous vlog that we're going to be traveling, but the Uber that is taking us to the airport is here. So maybe on our way or at the airport, I'll speak to you guys even much further. But we are going to Enugu. We are going to the east. Yes. I like it for me. I love it even more for my husband because he's gonna be seeing his sister. But anyways, let me not be the reason why we are late. Let me see. My husband is trying to pack it back. Let me just arrange. I wish I could show you guys my feet. Let me just arrange and I'll see you guys. Gotten our boarding pass and we're heading to get checked in, okay? I thought we could quickly chat before I left. You guys, myself and my husband were heading to Enugu, but I was saying earlier that I'm happier for him. Sorry, guess why? He's gonna be seeing his sister. His elder sister lives in Enugu, and it's been a while, and the kids as well, right? It's been a while. The elder sister has moved, life has happened. They moved to their home. So many things have happened, and he has been always saying, "Oh, I want to see my sister. I want to see my sister." KK Events and Decor has now taken me to Enugu for a wedding.
You lie.
KK Events and Decor has taken. KK Events and Decor.
Please ask her to refund me.
Don't worry, we are growing to a point where are you part of my board of directors? Why do we need to handle your ticket?
Who opened the company for you?
But you guys, KK Events and Decor is now taking me to Enugu. And Mr. Obichuk say he's not gonna stay back in Lagos alone. I was not even believe Mr. Obichuk came up on work which day and booked his ticket. He said, if I'm going to Enugu, Enugu is where he grew up, it's his hometown. If I'm going to Enugu, he's following me. But the thing is, his sister doesn't know he's coming at all. She knows I'm coming. She's coming to get me from the airport. That's my sister-in-law. Guys, they were giving information, so I have to pause. I'm so cold. This flight is so cold.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard.
Another information.
Via 190 aircraft.
You guys, I was saying that the thing is, Mr. Obichuk's sister does not know that he's coming. Mr. Obichuk did not want me to come here and do my KK alone. Mr. Obichuk came up from work one day and just handed and said, "I'm back, guys." You guys, I was saying, so we're on board Enugu. My sister-in-law is coming to pick me. But like I said earlier, the trick is that she's going to see my husband. She was even asking, am I coming with the children? Am I coming? I say, no, I'm coming for walk. I'm coming for walk. But you guys, I carried an empty suitcase because I want to put Opa. When I was dating Mr. Obichuk, I used to take me to Enugu. okpa, coke, abacha. I want to put okpa, azu, manga, different things that we can come back to this Lagos. Everybody has told me, oh, you, what they call a mo, cha cha, oh, I should bring this one back, I should bring that. Hold up, we're gonna do that, So, yeah, you guys, Mr. Bichus did not lost. You guys, look at my man. Seated down. Don't mind this Mr. Bichuk. So, yo, busy, busy, busy. I also shocked. Mr. Bichuk booked flight and say, I'm following you. I say, eh? Are you staff of KK event and deco? But yeah, I'm going for a wedding, and my man is by my right hand side. So yeah, let's be going. You guys, time is 8:59 and we have just arrived in Enugu. I'm waiting for my husband, trying to get our suitcase. At this point, I think that we're going to go and get our bags. I will do a video with my phone when he sees his sister, and I will do a video with his phone for him as well, so I can send to his mom. I'm sure she'll be so excited. It's like his fave. My God. Yeah, you love it. Keep on that
A few moments later.
I came with my sister-in-law to the market.
The next day.
Rise and shine, you guys. Yesterday was such a beautiful day. Myself and my husband, we are lodged at Nike Lake Resort. Hold on, let me show you guys the greenery, the beautiful space outside there. Like, it's so beautiful. Let me show you guys.
I'm always wearing slippers. Hello world.
Hey guys, you guys. Myself and my man, we are at Nike Lake Resort. You guys, yesterday we had fun. Baby, were you happy to see your sister?
So glad.
So happy. Sister did not even want to let us go. We say we have to be at this what they call a hotel because of the wedding planner. I cannot be away because my sister-in-law did not even want us to leave. Yesterday I went to the market. You guys saw that video now. I went to the market to go and start buying garden egg, to buy so many other things. Cashew nuts. Hold on, let me bring the cashew nut and show you.
Jesus.
because we're not eating organically. Look at this banana. Look at this. Then look at this cashew nut.
Fresh.
No dirt underneath it. Look at this banana.
And it's not branded.
And it's not branded. No dirt underneath it. My God. It's maybe you can take it inside. And take it out from here.
No dirt, no chaff.
Guys, look at me. This is not life. My children, the video called me this morning. Hello, mommy. I need you to start coming back now. I say, who are you? I say, who are you? Mommy, where are you? You have not come to the house today. I'm like, huh? Goodbye, please. But you guys, I had such an absolute loving time yesterday. Happy for my husband as well. Love it for him. Him and his sister bonded yesterday. Sister didn't even bought a bath. They wanted to fill us up yesterday. For breakfast when we landed, we had okpa. I don't know if you guys can see me well. For breakfast when we landed, we had okpa. After eating okpa, we had abacha. I went to the market because I was telling her that there are a couple of things that I wrote down I want to buy. You know, I've been to Enugu before. There is this chicken at Artisan Market. Yeah, I think it's Artisan. My husband has got inside, but I've asked him. That when we used to date and he brought me here one time, we bought that roasted chicken and journeyed back to Abuja. It was too tasty, you know. So I told her I wanted chicken, and so she said, let's even go to the market to start making down and putting down the orders, right? So we went to the market yesterday. I bought fresh garden egg, just so many things. My sister-in-law did not even want me to pay for anything. I said, sis, no, no. Yesterday was so beautiful. I cannot even lie. And then today as well, I've seen my bride. I went to the hall yesterday. Decoration is going on well. Today I have a meeting in the hall for 12 with all the vendors, so I will dress up and be heading out pretty soon. My husband is traveling to Ogidi today. Yeah, part of the reason as well, he needs to go to Ogidi so that he can go and open up their home, clean it up. The house was boggled. That one is another story for another. So my husband has to go there, clean it up, change the security keys, you know. He's also going with his sister, so two of them will go clean it. They said they also want to put flowers by their father's graveside, change the old ones that are there, put flowers there as well, clean up the whole place. So today I'm just alone by myself, but I will mostly be at the hall. Yeah, but you guys, I'm having such a swell time. I cannot lie. This is sort of home away from home. I'm enjoying it. The air here is different. The air here is different. Tell me about it. Lagos comes with this kind of pressure. Like the air is pressure, the noise. It comes with this kind of pressure. But Enugu is so relaxing, Jesus. Enugu is so relaxing. I cannot even lie. So relaxing. But anyways, guys, you guys, let me just go and start my day. I have a lot of things to do today, but if you enjoyed this vlog, let me know. I will try and create more vlogs in Enugu. But if you enjoyed this one, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye guys.